Never have to seal your granite ever again. Granite Shield restores old granite to look better than it ever did and permanently seals granite, making it smoother, shinier, and maintenance-free. Call 877-477-3254 to schedule your appointment.
This is sealed, this is unsealed. As you can see, this is stained. So granite is a hard sponge, if you will. It's very porous. It will soak up any type of liquid or oil, colored liquids like wine, pomegranate juice, for example, and it will stain. That's why you have the discoloration here. Over here, this is sealed, and you can simply wipe this right up, and it's like it never even happened. I can pour it over here too. This has been there all night. I poured this on yesterday. You can see the difference in the colors. I just poured this on there. This has been sitting there since yesterday. Watch how this wipes off. Nobody in their right mind is going to leave wine all night long on their countertop. Comes right off. Over here, you can see the discoloration all over. So we put a permanent lifetime sealer on your countertops. We do granite, marble, travertine, limestone, tile and grout, you name it. It's a permanent lifetime sealer. Granite Shield is the process that we use. It's not available in stores. I've been an authorized applicator since 2005, and it's the only sealer available where you can seal it and forget about it. You can literally check it off your list. It penetrates into the stone and it creates a stain-proof barrier. So it's never going to peel off or wear off like a topical sealant would. Over here, we have travertine, we have slate, and this is a black honed granite. This is sealed, this is unsealed. This is sealed, this is unsealed. You can see the difference here. If I were to pour water on here, okay, you can see how this streaks like that. This, you can simply move it. Same thing with the travertine. It's right here. You can see. You can move it. Sometimes I have people that come up to me and say, I've got dark granite, I don't have to worry about stains. Okay, you may not see your stain. Doesn't mean it's not there. However, what you do need to think about is the health and safety of your family, the foods that you're cooking and preparing on your granite counters. You know, if you have a dark countertop, you may not see a stain, but it doesn't mean that you don't have bacteria that gets into the pores of your stone. So when you seal it with Granite Shield, you're not going to have to worry about that. It fills the pores of the stone and it repels everything. So when you clean your countertop, you wipe everything off and it's sanitary and healthier for your family. Apply Granite Shield to your countertops, and we only have to do it one time. It'll last forever. You never ever have to seal your countertops again. We give you that in writing.
My granite was sealed by Granite Shield in August of 2005. It's never been sealed again. It's as shiny as the day it was sealed by Granite Shield. All I've ever used is an ammonia-based glass cleaner and occasionally clean and shine. And I never wipe up spills immediately.